Hi, Averill from Sharper Uniforms. Today we are going to review our Gripper Snap Button Polo shirt. This shirt works well in the food processing and culinary industries, for there are no conventional buttons on this garment that can break off and fall into the food process. Features include durable gripper snaps, tagless collar, antimicrobial lightweight moisture wicking fabric, hem sleeves and side vents, cool dry mesh fabric. You can industrial laundry. Fabric is lightweight, 4-ounce, 100% polyester. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the web.